Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to delete your reviews on Booking.com. Let's jump right in. First, open the Booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, launch it and sign into your account. On the main screen, you'll see options like Search, Saved, Bookings, and Profile. Tap on Profile. Inside the Profile section, you'll see options such as Manage Account, Rewards and Wallet, Genius Loyalty Program, Saved, and Reviews. Tap on Reviews. Here, you'll find all the reviews you've left for properties you've visited through Booking.com. Simply select the review you want to remove and tap Delete. And that's it. That's how you delete reviews on Booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.